Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with a buttermilk fried salmon po' boy. If you do not like salmon, I promise you, after you buttermilk fry it, you will love it, y'all. It'll make you want to slap your mama. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to start off with our fish fry, y'all. This is the same fish fry that I use in my mustard fried catfish. It's half flour, half cornmeal. You can use all cornmeal if you choose to. I have Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, everything. I have everything in here. It's very seasoned. Like I said in the last video, you don't even have to season your meat if you are using this particular fish fry. I've fried chicken, shrimp, everything in here. After our fish fry is complete, we're gonna go ahead and start working on our dredging station with our buttermilk. I did add in a little bit of seafood magic. Once again, you don't have to do that, but I did for extra flavor. I have a pound of salmon that I've cut into little, I guess, fish stick strips. You can do nuggets, you can cut it however you want to. After that, I'm just dipping it into my buttermilk and I'm just dredging it with my fish fry, and you're gonna do this for the whole pound of salmon. Here's just a closer look of what I'm doing. As y'all can see, I'm just dipping my salmon in the buttermilk and transferring that to my fish fry and coating it completely. You want to allow your salmon to rest for about 10 minutes so that the breading or the fish fry can adhere to your salmon. Now we're just going to fry these bad boys up. I do have a pot filled with some vegetable oil, and we're going to fry these for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It doesn't take long for salmon to cook. Y'all, is it salmon or salmon? Salmon? Do you pronounce the L? I know some of y'all are probably going to get frustrated because I say salmon. Salmon. Anyways. I'm taking out my smaller pieces now. That one right there that I'm about to take out was so good. So if you do this recipe, I recommend that you cut your salmon kind of thin because that fish fry you can taste throughout every bite, y'all. It was so good and crispy. So good. If you don't like salmon, I'm convinced that you will love it after you buttermilk fry. Anytime you fry anything, it's good. Fried Oreos, fried Twinkies, fried celery, anything you fry is gonna be good, trust me. Now I'm just going to transfer them to y'all look at that. I'm just going to transfer them to a wire rack and let them drain. If you don't have a wire rack, you can use some paper towels and let your fish drain. Now we're going to start assembling our po' boy. Here I have some French bread that I cut in half and I toasted in a pan with some butter. A traditional po' boy calls for pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, I believe some mayo, but you can build your po' boy any way you want. I'm using mayo, lettuce, pickles. I don't like tomatoes like that, so I left them out. Now, y'all know this would not be a Kitchen Trap Queen video without some sort of sauce. Now, this is not a new sauce. This is still my same Remoulade sauce. I keep this sauce in my fridge because I love seafood, and this sauce goes perfect with any type of fried or grilled seafood. But y'all, that's it. Go ahead and enjoy. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment, all that good stuff, y'all. I'm so proud of this recipe. It is very good. And if you do try this, make sure you tag me. #KitchenTrapQueen. All right, y'all. Till the next video.